This is a short tutorial that's going to show you how you can remove some of the course tiles from your dashboard and organize your dashboard really quickly as you're in between semesters or getting ready for a new semester. Now, I don't know about you individually how many course tiles you currently have showing, but once you've been in Canvas for several semesters, you're going to have a lot of tiles showing on this dashboard, and you may want to go ahead and get rid of some of the tiles for courses that you're no longer teaching or organizations that you're no longer involved in, and that's really easy to do. So really quick, here's how it works. If I see a course that I no longer want to have showing up on my dashboard, such as this Canvas Roadshow course, all I have to do is click the three dots in the upper right hand corner, click Move on the window that comes up next, and then click Unfavorite, and then click Submit, and it's going to remove that tile. Another way to do this, if you've got several tiles that you want to remove from your dashboard, is you can actually go to the left-hand navigation menu and you can click on Courses. And this initial list shows everything that's on my dashboard right now. But if I click down to All Courses, it'll open up a new window. And in this window, it shows all the courses that I have access to, those that are on my dashboard, which have these stars that are colored either gold or orange, I guess, depending on your screen, or the ones that aren't starred are courses that I have access to but are not showing up on my dashboard. So what I can do is I can scroll down and I can identify the courses that I no longer want to see out on my dashboard, and I can just click the stars so that they go clear, just like that, and then go back to my dashboard, and you'll see now that I have much fewer tiles showing on my dashboard than I did before, and you can see that. And now if I want to organize those tiles, I can just drag and drop the tiles, put them wherever I want them to go, but I can organize this dashboard so that it makes sense for me. Now if I need to bring a course back, remember you can always go back to Courses, go to All Courses, and you can reverse this by simply clicking on the star and then going back to your dashboard, and that course will now show up on my dashboard. That's all there is to it, but I wanted to show you really quick how you can kind of tame the monster that is that dashboard once you start getting a whole lot of tiles. I hope you found this tutorial useful.